Welcome to this simple June bullet journal that I made just to keep myself organized, and I hope it helps give you an idea if you want something simple, there's a little color, and it's a little fun. I end every month with a gratitude page so you can see some of the things I was grateful for last month. Lately, I have noticed that it really helps me to have a very small and concise calendar with a list of things to do for each week. So all of the pages are going to be pretty similar, but they just have a spot for every one of the dates and then a spot where I have the lists. The spot for the list is for the entire week, and I thought it would be kind of fun to put to do on one side and list on the other. And then as I work through the week, I try not to put too many items on these lists because I do not have a ton of time and I want to make sure that I complete each of the items. I know a lot of people that like to cross off their items when they are complete, but I actually draw a little box in front of each of the items that I have on my to-do list. It feels great to put an X through the box, and if it's only half done, I'll put in one side of the X, and when I need to move something to the next page, which is not frequently, but when I do, I put a line through it so that I know it moved forward to the next week. Limiting the items on the list helps me stay focused and prioritize the important things. This month, I decided to just put 2 days at the top and have my gratitude page be a partial page, which I think is the first time for a partial gratitude page, but it'll have to do. I was really trying to keep things compact, and I wanted to make sure that I ended on an even page. I'll show you the final flip through in just a moment, but I wanted to take the time to say thank you for joining me, and I do appreciate you, and I know that different ways of organizing are better for different people and at different times, so I think it's just kind of fun to share. Thanks for joining. Here is your final flip through. And if you're interested in getting more content like this, feel free to like and subscribe and share it with someone who you think might enjoy. See you next time.